Hi everyone, it's Neil, and today I have this Comforday, and it's the handheld steam cleaner with safety lock button. And so I got a little steamer so I can clean some dirty stuff with steam, as well as I'm going to try to steam some of my curtains because they just have wrinkles that are just beyond belief in here. So let's see how this thing looks. So I'm going to open it up here. Let's see what's inside. So the first thing we see is the manual, and it's a pretty hefty manual with small words. You can see there. I don't know if it's English or not, but well, that's not. So it looks like the first few pages are going to be English and then Spanish and various languages. So we've got that. And then I'll put that here. And then this is what the box looks like here. So we open it up and this is the nozzle, I guess it's going to squirt out the steam. And, oops, I dropped something, but here's the steam unit. So it's this yellow thing with some cardboard on it. And it's got so this would be like the handle if I want to just do a quick steam like that straight from there, I can use that. But otherwise I've got all these other attachments in here. So let's take a look at what the attachments are and then we'll see what we can do here. So we have the little water filler here. So that's where I'll fill it up with water, and then this is where I'll, what's it called? Siphon? Not a siphon, a funnel it into the thing. So here's another little tip for it. So I guess different tips can go on it and do different things. So like this one here, if I want it to be, just give me a little bit of distance. If I want it to be direct, if I want an extension, I guess that's what this one here will do. So it'll stick in there and give me a long extension for it. And then I'll put those things down. And then this is what I'll use for the drapes. So it's kind of gives it a big flat section. This one here, it looks like it goes on this to make it even a bigger section here. So this is how I use it, probably on like cleaning windows or something like that. So it'll kind of squeegee. It's got a little squeegee built in. And then we have a bigger nozzle here with a little brush. So if you want to just get into like on little things like on a vent in a car or something like that, I'll use that. So those are the different, there's one more attachment in here, and this one here is just a little curvy little one here, I guess if you want somehow, because I guess you kind of have to hold it this way a little bit, so if you want it to be a little different direction or something, you can kind of use that. So that's it. So we're gonna go give this thing a try, and let's see how it goes. I think this cord's gonna make it. And we'll see what goes here. Let's see. So that's where the water's gonna go in there. So I'm gonna go fill up that little cup, and we'll see what kind of steam we can make. So let's fill it up. Okay, so here we go. So if I'm pushing the button, the little light goes on. So we'll see how long it takes here. As you see, it's got a little ball that kind of makes it into a direction. I hear it bubbling. Not sure how long it's going to take to make steam. Guess we'll find out. I'm not sure what color that is, but I wonder if it changes colors when it's ready. Can you hear it? I hear it going. Let's see. Just for fun, let's put this away. Well, I think it's ready, so let's see. Oh, there's the steam coming out. I don't know if you can see it. Ow, hot. Okay, well that works. So it's putting out steam, so it's doing what it needs to do. So I'm gonna say this thing is good, and it's actually pretty quick. So there it is. So I can steam anything. So I can steam my little my phone. Everything's gonna get steamed in this house today. So there it is. So let's see. So it's the Comforday steamer, and you see it's got the little light on it and stuff. So I guess it just sits there and steams all day. So, ooh, wow. I guess the longer I wait, the more steam it builds up. So, oh yeah, here, it's got the little release valve at the top here. So I guess that's what happens when it gets too much steam. But then here we go, ready? That's a lot of steam. That's pretty sweet. Okay, well this is it. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll be back with some more cool reviews soon. I love it. I almost want to stick it in my face, but I know I'll burn it. Oh, it's gonna get all wet. This is awesome. Okay, I'm gonna go steam some curtains. Bye.